Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Gia and I'm Lux for Less. And I went thrift store shopping the other day in San Diego, and this was my first stop, and I was looking hopefully to find some electronics to sell on eBay. And I found some VHS tapes, which are very popular on eBay as well, but just depending on the title. I found some Disney ones here. Balto, 1 in 100 Dalmatians, Land Before Time. Found some blank VHS tapes, so I grabbed them all. And I also grabbed some Disney videos too, but I was going to price them at the end. Then I found a Marilyn Monroe portrait, and they wanted $22. It was such a nice portrait of her, but I could not find it anywhere on Google search or eBay, so I bypassed that. Then I found these really nice pair of salt and pepper shakers for $10.50, but I could not find another pair online like that, so I bypassed that as well. I found these really cute three-leaf tea leaves, and they wanted $3.50 each by Party Light, and they were selling for the three of them for $12, so I bypassed that. I found these really nice lampshades. Now, I wish I would have got this glass lampshade because they were only asking for $2.50 each, and they go for like $15 each. So I should have gotten that. I'm not really comfortable with lamps yet or shades, so I bypassed that. I did find this Shark vacuum, and they go for just under $50 used. And this one was $30, but I don't know much about vacuums, so I left that behind. Most people that are eBay resellers, they do tear down the vacuums for parts, and they make a lot of money doing that, but it's particular vacuums, and I just wasn't comfortable, so I moved on and found these really cute little zipper pouches. That one right there was going for $6.99 on eBay, so I bypassed that, and I didn't really see anything else here, so I moved on. I found this really cute Mikasa English countryside jewelry trinket, and they wanted $8, but on eBay they were selling for $18, so I didn't get it. But I did see this really cute cast iron, and cast iron pans go for a lot of money, but this one they wanted $20, and you see here eBay sold the same one for $20, so I didn't get that one. Now these ones are, I think by Mikasa or Princess House Fantasia, I'm sorry, and they're the crystal coasters, and there were 4 of them. They wanted $5 each. I should have picked those up because it was $42 sold on eBay. I did get this. It was $11.75. This one I felt like was a rare find, and as you can see in the picture here, I found one on Etsy for $41.64. I just think it's really cute. I put it on my eBay store, so it's there if you guys want to go and buy it. I found this Mickey Mouse for $8. He was 3.5 feet tall. Okay, so I went to the men's section, and I found this camo, a long sleeve shirt by Redhead, but I didn't get that because it was selling for about $10, and that's what they sell for on eBay. Same with the Minecraft, about $10 on eBay. I did get this one, though. It's the J. Crew. I found some others that were a little bit more on eBay, so I picked that up. Now, I thought this was so cute. It's for a female, and it's by Reebok, NFL, Aaron Rodgers. And if you look at the front, I'll turn it around. You'll see the little bling in the front. It's just so adorable, so I picked that up as well. This one was Yellowstone, but it was made or sold by Walmart, so I did not pick that up. Now, the other one I picked up, because the yellow tags were 25% off that day. This was a yellow tag, and it's like for a uniform. It's really heavy duty, long sleeve uniform shirt, so I got that. I also got this Carmen men's Western wear shirt. They sell all day long in the $30 range. I picked that up. That was 25% off. I found a Ted Baker, really nice shirt. It says $10, but the gray tags were 50% off, so I got that for $5. And this one I got by Nautica, and they don't really sell that much either, but it's 25% off. So I did pick that up. It is a really nice 2-ply cotton shirt. Okay, so then I went and found this racing helmet, and it's by Fox Racing, which is a very popular brand, but as you can see here, the condition it's in, and the newer ones or the nicer ones on eBay go for $40 to $50. This one they wanted almost $20, so I bypassed that. If it was in a better condition, I would have picked it up. So I also went to the book section and I found this YouTube planning book for kids. It was really cute. I did not pick it up. It was only $1, but I just thought I'd share it with you because it says YouTube. And right now you guys are watching YouTube. So thought I'd share that with you. Okay, so I found the handbag and shoe section. Now the handbag section was very small, but I was able to find this really cute Le Sport sack everyday bag. I priced it out and I found one that was pink exactly like this that sold on eBay for $149. But this one is blue and they wanted $7.50 and they're selling for about $40. There was a bunch of them for $40. So I picked it up. I just thought it was just too adorable to let it go. Now, the other one I found was a Brighton little crossbody, but they wanted almost $10. And I don't sell Brighton very well, so I left it behind. And here you can see the section of the small handbags. Okay, so now I'm checking out, and the lady was telling me how wonderful she thought that bag was. Totally agree with her. To the left of that bag, though, you'll see the camo pants. I picked up those pants I didn't show you earlier. Now, those I think were like $9, and they're hunter pants. And that brand used was selling for $50 all day long on eBay, so I picked that up. So now I'm in downtown La Mesa, which is part of San Diego, and there's a Goodwill. So on my way home, I decided I am going to stop here and just see and hope that I can find a VCR. I spent like 2.5 hours at the first place, and I was just going to run in here real quick and see what I can find. I forgot to even grab a cart because there were just so many people. This place was small, as you can see. There's not like you barely can get through, and that's without a cart. But I was looking for the electronics section and the appliance section because I wanted to see what I can find there. The other place I just went to, I bought a bunch of other clothes, so I wasn't looking for clothes or anything like that here. But I finally found the appliance section and the electronics section. It was not big at all. And there is right there a Yamaha receiver. Now, they sell well also on eBay, but they wanted $50 with no remote. And on eBay, they go for about $50 to $75 with the remote. So I left that behind. There was some tools down there. I don't know tools very well, so I didn't even bother with that. I did find this really cute clothes steamer for $7.99. I picked that up for myself for all the clothes I do find, and I can steam clean them now. So I picked that up. Okay, so this was the best find for me. This Hello Kitty CD radio. Hello Kitty sells very well on eBay, and these were going for like $75 all day long on eBay. I took it home, listed it last night, and sold 12 hours later for $64.97. So that was my first sale of everything that I bought. Okay, so then there was a Christmas section, 50% off. So as you can see, my cart is full of Christmas stuff. This is a mosaic ceramic spoon holder for $3.99. I also grabbed that. And then I stopped at the houseware section, and here's a Starbucks, a state of Washington, D.C. or Washington. They used to be worth so much money, like $20 to $30 a cup, but they're not anymore. So I didn't get that. And that right there was napkin holders. Those were nice. So that's really all I got for that day. And then I went home after 6 hours of thrift store shopping. But if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please share this video. And until next time, I will see you later.